In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Slides on Zoom without revealing your speaker notes. This can be especially handy when you want to keep your notes private, viewing them yourself while presenting your slides seamlessly to your audience. Let's dive in and make your next presentation smooth and professional. First, let's prepare your presentation in Google Slides. Open up your Google Slides presentation and navigate over to the View menu. From there, select Rehearse Slideshow, which will take you to the presenter view. Now, in this view, you'll notice a green box on your screen. This green box is crucial because it represents the shared area that your audience will see. Move and adjust this green box so that it only encompasses the slide content you want to display, ensuring that your speaker notes are left out of this area. This setup allows you to maintain your notes for reference without showing them to your audience. Now, let's move over to sharing your screen in Zoom. Once you're in your Zoom meeting, locate and click the Share Screen button. A window will pop up offering different sharing options. Head over to the Advanced tab and select Portion of Screen. This feature is fantastic because it gives you the flexibility to share only a specific part of your screen, essentially hiding any sensitive areas like your speaker notes. You'll see a green box appear once again. It's important to adjust this box to encompass just the slide content you want your participants to see. Once you're satisfied with the area you've selected, go ahead and click Share. Now that your screen is shared, it's time to manage your presentation and notes smoothly. You can navigate through your slides using the arrow keys on your keyboard or by clicking within the green box region. Your audience will be limited to viewing only the content within the green box, while you can keep enjoying your notes and controls privately. If you happen to have a dual monitor setup, there's a nifty trick you can use for even more convenience. You can designate a specific monitor to share through Zoom, ensuring it solely displays the slide content. Meanwhile, you can keep your presenter notes open and visible on another monitor. This setup not only minimizes the risk of accidentally revealing your notes, but also offers a broader workspace to manage your presentation effectively. By these simple yet effective steps, you can effortlessly share your Google Slides on Zoom, maintaining a professional appearance by concealing your speaker notes from your audience. With practice, this process becomes second nature, helping you deliver clear and organized presentations. Thanks for watching and happy presenting!